Allied School Holiday Pack Class 7 Science Activity 7 Physical Change of Matter. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है हमारे पास. जोडी इज मेकिंग अ ड्रिंक ऑफ diluted squash. She starts with 200 milliliter of water. Circle the most likely volume of the drink after Jodi mixes the concentrated squash into the water. 220 milliliter. Part 2. Question number 2 का पार्ट ए. Sort this reaction into the chemical or physical change by drawing a line to the correct heading. Dissolving sugar physical, baking a cake chemical change, boiling water physical, burning toast chemical change, frying an egg chemical change, melting chocolate physical change, freezing milk physical change, popping corn chemical change. How can you tell if a reaction is a chemical or a physical change? If a reaction is reversible, it's a physical change, otherwise it's a chemical change. Question 3 part B. Complete the sentences below choosing only the most appropriate words. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration until they reach equilibrium. Activity 8. Chemical compound matching activity. Match each statement to the correct chemical compound and complete the formula. The formula of this compound is MgO, magnesium oxide formula MgO. The compound contains one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, carbon dioxide CO2. This compound contains two hydrogen atoms, one sulfur atom and four oxygen atoms, sulfuric acid H2SO4. This compound keeps it hydrated, copper sulfate CuSO4. This acid is found in our stomach, hydrochloric acid HCl. This compound is used to manufacture fertilizers, ammonium NH4, ammonia NH3. This compound is an alcohol. It contains one carbon atom and the alcohol functional group OH, methanol CH3OH. This compound is a hydrocarbon with four carbon atoms, butane C4H10. Cows produce a significant amount of this compound, methanol dioxide CH4. This compound forms a giant covalent structure, silicon Si. This compound is poisonous, odorless, that is produced during incomplete combustion, carbon monoxide CO. This compound contains one hydrogen atom and one fluorine atom, hydrogen fluoride HF. This compound is produced during photosynthesis, glucose C6H12O6. This compound has the formula MgCl2. Magnesium alloy MgCl2. This compound forms a giant ionic structure and is often put on dip chips, sodium chloride NaCl. Activity 9 mixtures. What is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture? पहले देखना है कि homogeneous और heterogeneous में फ़र्क क्या है. A homogeneous mixture has the same uniform appearance and composition throughout. ठीक है. और a heterogeneous mixture consists of visibly different substance और phases. ठीक है. आपके पास ये बर्गर है heterogeneous, homogeneous, homogeneous, heterogeneous, heterogeneous, homogeneous, heterogeneous, 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 homogeneous. B. For each solution identify the solvent and solute. ठीक है. Kharan mixed some water and juice crystals to make a fruit drink. Solute क्या है? Juice crystal. Solvent क्या है? Water. Kim switched salt water in her mouth after she lost her tooth in a soccer game. The solute is salt, the solvent is water. Rosanna put rubbing alcohol on the grass stain that was on her socks. The solute is alcohol, the solvent is grass stain. Kurt added a little sugar to his tea because it tasted bitter. The solute is sugar, the solvent is tea. The tea from Mai's tea bag colored the water as it drowned. The solute is tea bag, the solvent is water. The liquid detergent was dissolved in water to be used to wash Excel's cloth. The solute is detergent, the solvent is water. Part C है use these terms in the vocabulary box to fill in the blanks. 17 पर आपके पास है homogeneous, 18 पे heterogeneous, 19 पे solution, 20 पे solvent, 21 पे solute, 22 पे soluble, 23 पे insoluble, 24 पे concentrated और 25 पे water. Activity 10 forces foundation revision mat. Question number 1 है circle the non contact forces. Underline the resistive forces. कौन कौन सी है? टेंशन, ड्रैग, मैग्नेटिक, अपथ्रस्ट. 2 circle the correct units for measuring forces. Newtons, N. Part 3 circle the piece of equipment that is used to measure force. Newton meter. A paper clip is placed into the magnetic field around a magnet. What happens to the strength of the force experienced by the paper clip as it is moved further away from the magnet? The force decreases. The diagram shows a yo-yo being used. Choose two forces from the list below to label the arrows. Tension, S. 6. The diagram shows an object on a table. The reaction forces of the table acting on the object is 30 N. What is the weight of the object? 34 gram, 120 kg. Activity 11. Temperature scales Fahrenheit and Celsius. The temperature of a typical summer day is 30 degree. The temperature of a snowy day should be 32 degree. The water in a hot bubble bath be around 98 degree. The soup served in a restaurant should be around 100 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature of boiling water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. If your body temperature is at dash, you are having a fever, 103 degree Fahrenheit. The water turns into ice when the temperature is lower than 0 degree centigrade. On an ice fall day, the temperature is around 15 degree centigrade. Activity 12. Reading thermometers in Fahrenheit and Celsius. सबसे पहले वाले में 8 degree centigrade, 46 Fahrenheit, 17 centigrade, 64 Fahrenheit, 28 centigrade, 82 Fahrenheit, minus 5 centigrade, 24 Fahrenheit, minus 12 centigrade, 10 Fahrenheit, minus 22 centigrade, minus 6 Fahrenheit. Activity 13. Sound, search and find. ठीक है, आपको फैक्ट्स दिए हैं जिसको कि आंसर अभी टास्क पूरा करने में आपको आसानी हो जाएगी. ठीक है. मेक द वेव टू द साउंड यू थिंक इट शोज. वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. आपके पास ये वाली है फायर ड्रिल. ही नेशनल एंथम प्लेड एट अ हाई वॉल्यूम. द नेशनल एंथम प्लेड एट अ लो वॉल्यूम. अ बैस गिटार. Activity number 14. Heat. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct words from the bank given below. Heat is a form of energy. It can be found in natural and artificial forms. The greatest natural source of heat on earth is the sun. Without it, no animal or plant life would be able to survive. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. Temperature can be measured in degrees Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Thermometers are used to measure temperature. At 100 degrees centigrade, water will boil and it will begin to change from a liquid to gas. At 0 degrees centigrade, water will begin to freeze and will start to change from a liquid to solid. The temperature beneath the surface of the earth is extremely hot. It is here that you will find magma, which is melted rock. The heat that is in the earth can be used in some heating systems, particularly in modern homes. This type of heating is known as geothermal. Conduction is the name of the movement of heat between objects. Heat likes to move from hot objects to cooler objects. Some materials allow heat to move through them easily, and these materials are called conductors. Metal is an example of a good conductor of heat. However, there are also materials that stop heat moving through them, and these materials are known as insulators. Wood is an example of a good insulator. Heat can change the form that some materials take. For example, when we heat chocolate, it melts and changes into liquid. When we take the heat away from the chocolate, the temperature will decrease and it will become a solid once again. This is sometimes called a reversible change. However, sometimes heat changes the form of material permanent. For example, heating an egg on a frying pan will cause the egg to change completely. This change cannot be reversed by cooling the egg. This change created by the heat is an irreversible change. Activity 15. Earth in space. Choose the correct option and write the letter A, B, C and D in the given boxes. हमने letter A, B, C, D लिखने के बजाय वो correct answer लिखा है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट का करेक्ट आंसर है द सन विच इज़ अ Star is Earth's source of heat and light. 2a. How long does it take the Earth to rotate completely one time? 24 hours. What does the Earth's rotation every 24 hours result is day and night? 4. A dash is an imaginary straight line and a axis is an imaginary straight line. 5. While the Earth rotates, half of the Earth is tilted by the sun while the other half is darkness. 6. The Earth rotates at the same speed every day for each of the 24 hours it takes to rotate once completely. 7. The Earth travels through space in a circular path around the sun. This is called a revolution and results in 1 year. 8. The Earth's revolutions have to do with its seasons falls. 9. As the Earth rotates on its axis and circles the sun, the parts of the Earth that tilt closer to the sun receives more heat and light. 10. The seasons are determined by how the Earth is tilted, its course and where it is during the revolution around the sun. ये थी हमारे पास अर्थ इन स्पेस एलाइट स्कूल क्लास 7 साइंस की एक्टिविटी नंबर 15। इंशाअल्लाह नेक्स्ट जो है वो हम वीडियो में किसी नए सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर जो है वो बात करेंगे। टिल देन अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।